Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. So if you've been around for a little while, you'll probably recognise that I am wearing this jacket and possible trouser combination quite a lot. Now this is a Bars Gorka 4 and I think it is perfect for outdoor activities. There are videos about it on the channel, so you can simply check them out. But what this video is about is what I keep in it at all times. Now, depending on what I'm doing out in the wilderness, whether it's just going for a day hike or going for an overnight minimalist camp, luxury camp, whatever, these things always live in it. And they've proved useful on a few different occasions. So what are they? Really simple. Here's what they are. Number one is going to be a standard Bic Lighter. Obviously useful to start a fire, be it an emergency situation or simply you just want to get a campfire going at a campsite and you don't want to mess around with ferro rods and things like that. So a normal Bic Lighter. Next up is going to be one of these. This is a Polymeric Products ultra compact survival kit, packed full of really useful items. The main reason why I have it on me though is this. This is a ferro rod and whistle combination. Really useful for signalling for help or attracting attention. So that is really useful and always lives in my jacket. Next up is going to be this. This is a length of paracord. Don't ask me how much it is because I don't know. But I always keep some paracord in my jacket at all times. Doesn't take up any room. It's covered in pockets. I can put them somewhere. And is useful for a number of different applications, be it just simply a guy line break-in or wanting to repair some gear or something like that. So always useful to have some paracord on you. And last but not least, one of these. This is a Mylar space blanket Bivi bag thing. This is actually a bag, as I say, and you're able to get inside it and keep warm. So if I hurt myself and I can't get back out, I can use this to keep warm. Or if I find someone else that's hurt, again, I can keep them warm until help arrives. Also useful if you forget your sleeping bag, which I have done on more than one occasion, as I am in pains to admit. So there you go. They are the really basic items that I keep in my Gorka jacket at all times. That way, if I'm out with this, it's generally going to be pretty cold. I'm going to have the things I need to keep safe and potentially keep warm. So thanks for watching, stay safe, grab a Gorka jacket, and I'll see you soon.